Happy morning, children. Are you all fine? Hope you all are safe and fine. Today, I am going to revise our first lesson, that is numbers up to 200. In this lesson, we are going to learn about numbers from 1 to 200, number names, place value, expanded form, comparing numbers, order of numbers, odd and even numbers, and ordinal number. Today we are going to learn about numbers from 1 to 200, number names and place value. First one, numbers from 1 to 200. Children, you already learned the numbers from 1 to 100 in your first standard. In this number, there are three types of numbers are there. First one digit number. One digit number that is start from 1 to 9. Which is the smallest one digit number? That is 1. And which is the largest one digit number? It is 9. And two digit number starts from 10 to 99. Which is the smallest two digit number, children? That is 10. And which is the largest two digit number? That is 99. Okay, then three digit number starts from 100 to 999. The smallest three digit number is 100. And the largest three digit number is 999. Next we are going to see about number names. Children, you know what is number names? Number names are representing numbers in words. See here, what is the spelling of 1? O-N-E, 1. T-W-O, 2. T-H-R-E-E, 3. F-O-U-R, 4. F-I-V-E, 5. S-I-X, 6. S-E-V-E-N, 7. E-I-G-H-T, 8. N-I-N-E, 9. T-E-N, 10. These numbers you already learned in your first standard. Now we are going to see how to write the two-digit numbers. We know two digits start from 10 to 99. So, what is the spelling of 11? E-L-E-V-E-N. T-W-E-L-V-E, 12. T-H-I-R-T-E-N, 13. F-O-U-R-T-E-N, 14. F-I-F-T-E-N, 15. S-I-X-T-E-N, 16. S-E-V-E-N-T-E-N, 17. E-I-G-H-T-E-N, 18. N-I-N-E-T-E-N, 19. T-W-E-N-T-Y, 20. Okay, now we are going to learn the numbers from 10 to 100. T-E-N, 10. T-W-E-N-T-Y, 20. T-H-I-R-T-Y, 30. F-O-R-T-Y, 40. Children, you know what is the spelling of 14? F-O-U-R-T-E-N. What is the spelling of 40? F-O-R-T-Y. Okay. Then next one 50. F-I-F-T-Y, 50. S-I-X-T-Y, 60. S-E-V-N-T-Y, 70. E-I-G-H-T-Y, 80. N-I-N-E-T-Y, 90. H-U-N-D-R-E-D, 100. Children, now we are going to see how to write the number names of three-digit numbers. See here 134. This is the ones position, tens position and 100 position. When we are writing the number names, we will start in the hundreds position. How many hundred are there, children? There is 1. What is spelling of 1? O-N-E, 1. Then how many hundred? Only 1. So 100. Then the tens position, how many 3s are there? That is 30. Okay, so you want to write T-H-R-T-Y, 30. Then how many 4s are? Only 1 4. What is the spelling of 4? F-O-U-R, 4. Okay, next we are going to another number 156. Where we start? In the 100%. How many 100 children? Only 1. So what you want to write? 100. How many tens? 5 tens. 5 tens? 50. What is spelling of 50? F-I-F-T-Y. 50. What is spelling of 6? SIX 6. Then next one 140. So how many hundred children? There is only 100. Then how many tens? 4 tens. And the ones position there is no number. So what you want to do? 140. What is spelling of 40? F-O-R-T-Y. Then what is the spelling of 14? F-O-U-R-T-N. So how we will write 140? Only one H-A-N-D-R-E-D 100. And what is spelling of 40? F-O-R-T-Y. Next one, place value. Children, you know what is meant by place value? Place value is the value of each digit in a number. See here, one number 135. Okay, 5 in the ones position, 3 in the tens position and 1 in the hundreds position. When we are writing the place value, how many ones are there, children? There is 5 ones. So 5 into 1 is equal to 5. Then how many tens are there? 3 tens. 3 into 10 is equal to 30. Then how many hundreds are there? Only 1. So 1 into 100 is equal to 100. So 5 ones. How many tens? 3 tens. That is mean. Then how many hundreds? There is 100. Then one more example, children. 192. 2 in the ones position, 9 in the tens position and 1 in the hundreds position. So how we will write, children? How many ones are there? There are 2 into 1. How many ones? 2 ones. Okay, how many tens? There are 9 tens. 9 into 10 equal to 90. How many tens? That is 9 tens. Then how many hundred? There is only 100.
Children, have you all got your book? This is our Maths textbook, Pearls Mathematics by Ratna Sagar. And this is our first lesson, numbers up to 200. Children, already we learned the numbers from 1 to 100 in our first standard. So, in this warm-up section, we are going to recall what we learned in the first standard. So, you have to complete the exercise in the page 3 and 4. It is very easy, so you can do it very easily. Then in the page number 6, you can see write the missing numbers from 101 to 200. Okay, so you can write 101, 102, 103, 4, 5, 6, 106, 107, 108, 109, 10. You have to complete it. Then you have to write the assignment here 121, 22. You have to complete these columns also. And in the page number 7, you want to say and write the number. You can do it very easily. For first example, here 100. 100 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it is 107. Okay, 7 in the ones position, 0 in the tens position and 100 in the ones position. Like that you have to complete this page also. Next page, you can see write the number that comes after. Then write the number that comes between. It is very easy. After 137, 38, then you want to write the after number and between number also. Next one, G. Here mixed with numbers. Okay, so you want to write the numbers from smallest to greatest. So all of you know the numbers. Okay, you know the numbers from 1 to 200. So you have to write the smallest to greatest number. Then we learned about place value. Place value is the value of each digit in a number. See here one example, 149. How many ones are there? 9 ones. How many tens? 4. How many hundreds? 100. Then you see here and complete this also. Children, you learned how to write the place value of the numbers. If you learn the place value means you can write the expanding numbers very easily, because we know in place value we have to find the value of each digit. Like the expanded form, we are going to write, see here 196. So how many hundreds? 100 plus how many tens are there? 9 tens. So 90 plus 6. How many ones? 6. Then one more example, 160. So how you write 100 means you can know 100 plus. And how many tens, children? 6 tens. So 6 tens are 60. Then 0 ones. So like that you have to complete this table. Okay, 135. How many hundreds? 1 hundreds. How many tens? 3 tens. How many fives, children? How many ones? There are 5 ones. Okay, then 112. How many ones? How many hundreds? 1. How many tens? 1. How many ones? 2. Then 168. How many ones? 8 ones. How many tens? 6 tens. How many hundred? 100. So this also you want to complete it. In next page, write the place value of each digit. One example is given here, children. 137. So how many ones? 7. How many tens? 3 into 10, 30. How many hundred? 1 into 100, 100. So you want to like see here one more thing. 114. How many ones? 4. How many tens? 10 only. Only 1 10 is the. How many hundred? 1 into 100 is equal to 100. Then here 172. How many ones? 2 ones. So 2. How many tens? 7 into 10. So 70. 1 into 100 equal to 100. Children, try to complete the exercise 1 and exercise 1.2. I think you can write very easily. Children, now we are going to write our classwork. This is our index page. You want to write the date and the lesson. And take a new page. On the top of the page, you want to write Unit 1. Then leave one line and write numbers up to 200. Then leave one line, you are going to write the content. We are going to write the content here. What are the contents here, children? That is numbers from 1 to 200, number names, place value, expanding numbers, comparing numbers, order of numbers, even numbers, odd numbers, and ordinal numbers. Then take the next page. You want to write numbers from 1 to 100. So you have to copy the numbers from 1 to 100. Then the next page we are going to write the number names. That is number names. Number words are alphabetical form of numbers. So we are going to write the numbers from 1 to 10, 11 to 20 and 10 to 100. Next page, write the number names. You want to write the names, number names. So write the number names, leave one line and write the numbers. Then we are going to write the place value. Then children, already I sent the classwork material along with the link. So you want to copy in your classwork with neatly and with legible handwriting and post in our group. Children, hope you all understood about the numbers from 1 to 200, number names and place value. Then do your assignments and write your classwork neatly. We will meet in the next class. Thank you.